You will get a spacious living and dining area where you will get two parallel platforms. Be your master bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Majestic Towers by Tharwani Realty located in Kalyan. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and behind me you can see the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. This is the main road where the tower is located and the neighborhood of this project. I will also show you the actual lobby of this project. This is a double-heighted lobby. Floor to ceiling height is of 24 feet and all of the lobby will be filled with the sitting area. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across 3.25 acres of land parcel having two towers with G plus 35 and G plus 45 stories, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, as you can see, this is the clubhouse of our project and the clubhouse is spread across 23,000 square feet. Talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities with infinity swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna, clubhouse that is spread across 23,000 of square feet, gym, indoor games, rooftop bar, mini theatre, banquet hall and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kalyan Godrej Hill, from where Kalyan railway station is 10 to 15 minutes drive, Ring Road is only 700 meters away, Mumbai-Nasik highway is at a distance of 2 kilometers, D-Mart is only 2 minutes walkable distance and school, colleges, hospital is within 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we'll do the sample flat tour of Majestic Towers. As you can see, this is the actual lobby of Majestic Towers and you will get 6 flats on each floor with 4 lifts. And now we will begin with the sample flat tour of 3 BHK of Majestic Towers. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1105 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. First, you will get a video door phone. And this will be your foyer area. And over here, you will get a spacious living and dining area. As you can see, you can place a 2 sideways sofa along with the center table and also customize your TV unit in the living area. You will also get full French windows with a very spacious deck in the living. And as you can see, the balcony is very spacious. You can place your sofas, your table chairs and make this your seating area as well. Also, this is the actual view as we are standing at the actual tower of this project. Moving forward, over here we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. Right in front of the dining corner we have our kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms. You can customize your lower cabinets, your upper cabinets and also build lofts. As you can see, you have space provided to place your washing machine and you will get windows for ventilation in the kitchen. And as you can see, there is enough space between the platforms for 2 people to walk easily, and over here, space is provided where you can easily place a double door fridge in the kitchen. Moving forward, diagonally opposite to the kitchen, we have a common washroom. that is also very spacious and that comes with anti-skid tiles, and all the wall fittings are from Jaguar. Moving forward, this will be a common bedroom that is spacious enough to place your king or queen size bed along with the side tables, and you have walkable space besides the bed on both the sides. This will be your wardrobe section that you can customize, and you can also build lofts. Over here, you can customize and place your study corner, or you can also make this your TV unit. You will also get 3/4 size French windows with a glass facade for a beautiful view of your neighborhood. Moving forward to our first master bedroom and the second bedroom of this 3 BHK. This is a master bedroom that is very spacious to place your king and queen size bed along with the side table, and as you can see, the bedroom is very spacious as it has a lot of walkable space. This will be your wardrobe section that you can customize by your choice, and you can also customize and place a study table. And you will also get 3/4 size windows with a glass facade for a beautiful view of your neighborhood. And over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles, and all the wall fittings are from Jaguar. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the last and the second master bedroom of this 3 BHK. This bedroom over here is the most spacious one. As you can see, at the entrance you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy, and over here is the attached washroom of this master bedroom where you will get anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings are from Jaguar. This will be your master bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom is very spacious. You can easily place a king size bed, side tables, and also you have walkable space. Also, you can place a side chair and make it your seating corner. You can customize your TV unit, and also you will get 3/4 size French windows with a glass facade for a beautiful view. And over here, we have your wardrobe space that you can customize by your choice, and it is tall enough to build lofts. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Majestic Towers. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what were your reviews? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.